Hello dear viewers, today I want to show you how to log in your mobile WhatsApp to your computer or PC through Google Chrome. So you just need to make sure that your computer is connected to Wi-Fi or network, and also your mobile is connected to Wi-Fi. So you will search WhatsApp web. So I just search web, WhatsApp web, or WhatsApp web, yeah, web. So search WhatsApp web, then enter. So you can see this first link here. So just choose web. So the next step will be, so my WhatsApp is loading. The next step will be to go to my WhatsApp. I want to link this business WhatsApp, and then just click here and then link devices. Then okay, so I will need to remove one of my device. So I can just right, so I just select it, remove this device, remove. I can remove two devices. Let me remove this one, remove. Yes, so now I can link because 2 or 4 devices are linked, so I have not reached the maximum. So I can link device, use mobile data, then I can use my fingerprint on my pattern. So just I'll put my fingerprint, because right now it is scanning, it is logging in. So then you see in my computer it is logging in, it is loading your charts. So that's how. So I can just choose maybe one of the charts, maybe this one, right? You can see now I'm logged in. So thanks. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.